What's up everyone? So today is Andy's birthday. So what I decided to do, well, he was basically thinking about getting a watch, right? Because he was having, kitty watches for quite a while. So we were, helping him browse through a few catalogs from Rolex to IWC, and he kind of like because Andy is a prudent guy. Okay, and he kind of settled for kind of a two-door, which is actually the main parent company of Rolex, ironically, but however Rolex became the brand that everyone knows till today. So what we did was we got him a Rolex. Okay, so you might want to do a close-up on this. So this is the Rolex Submariner, where we call it the Hawk, right? So just a little bit close-up on that. Right, so yeah, so this is one of the rare pieces that not everyone can get, right? And yeah, I mean, he's a good partner. He's been helping CG grow, and I think it's only right that he would get this exactly on this very day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first swap this out first, and because he's kind of a sporty guy, and he always mentioned that he doesn't like stainless steel, so I'm gonna give him what he wants. A nice rubber G-Shock watch, which was initially what he wanted anyway. This is pretty expensive G-Shock watch as well. I'm gonna just swap this and give him what he wants, right? So but before that, we are even gonna play a game, right? So he's gonna see the green box, the ever popular green box, and think there's a Rolex in there, only to be trolled. We have this lovely G-Shock in there. By the way, the G-Shock's real anyway. So yeah, oh shit, it's a bit too big. Watch, it's a bit too big. Okay, good. Kind of got it in there. So the G-Shock is too big. Okay, so yeah, let's get this started, man. So this is the cap. So we're gonna put this nicely in safe and sound. Right, the pouch.
Ryan, you want to explain your own watch as well?
Sorry?
You want to talk about your own watch too?
Oh no, I'm not going to talk about it. Yes, so yeah. Right? So the main watch will be nice and safe right here with me, while he will have the very nicely packed G-Shock with him. But I'm just waiting for his reaction to see how it goes, man. But we're going to play a game. So we're going to ask him 3 questions. These 3 questions are about Van. So firstly, what was the ICO price of Van? What was who are the founders of Van? And of course, maybe the color, or what's the various colors of the Van logo? Maybe something like that. But we're gonna have some fun, man. Already, guys, already. Okay. See you in a bit. Welcome to CG Vlogs. Now, today is a very special day, unlike every other day, where today is Andy's birthday. Yay. Now, he just came back from lunch. So how was lunch, Andy?
It was good. Free lunch is always good.
Nice. And of course, I'm still sick, but it doesn't matter. The most important thing is that we are going to celebrate Andy's birthday. And what better way to do it than to ask Andy what he really wants for his birthday. So we were kind of we can't really say, mind blowing him with, no man, let's say mind blown. We were implanting him with various ideas. So we came to the conclusion that he might like a watch. So what Clarence did was, Clarence actually gave him a catalog to get the whole ball rolling. Ta-da! So Clarence actually got him a catalog where there was various types of various watches, and did you pick one?
Yeah.
Okay, so which one did you like, man? Out of all the watches.
I actually can't remember.
No, Andy is a very prudent guy, right? He's a very, very prudent individual. He's been wearing the Daniel Wellington watch, which is a good watch after all. At the end of the day, right? I'm not saying, it's a good watch. You know, it's oh wow, it's a Daytona. Wow, okay.
Yeah, I think
so.
so.
You picked the Daytona, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, you like the Daytona?
No, I just like how it looks like. That's all.
Oh wow, sweet. Now obviously, right, based on CG's budget, there is no such thing as getting a Daytona. But at the end of the day, we did, however, get him a Rolex. Huh? So, without further ado, right? But of course, when you talk about getting a Rolex, it's not so easy. So we're gonna play a game. We're gonna ask Andy a series of questions. So recently he gave the call for Van, which is doing pretty well. How much are we up already?
Personally, I'm about 8 to 10%.
Not too bad, you know. Yeah, people were saying that up like 8 to 10% is nothing in the crypto world.
Yeah.
But up 8% is really awesome, guys. So we're gonna ask you 3 questions about Van. Okay.
Right.
So the first question is, what is the color of Van's logo?
Blue?
Game Master, do you accept blue?
Navy blue?
Oh, so we will set navy blue. It's a range of colors. You
Yeah,
only
it's
need
a
to
range
pick
of
one.
colors. It's a range of blue.
Okay, and
Okay.
And? What?
What other color?
yeah, what other
So it's
colors?
like
man?
navy
You can't
blue,
just say blue.
light blue. It's just a combination of 2 colors.
Okay,
I'm
so
gonna-
it's 2 colors.
I'm gonna do my
Fine,
research,
fine,
yeah.
fine. Okay, wow. So it's 1 step closer to getting his watch, guys. Now the next one is who is the founder of Van? Or at least who is the CEO of Van? I mean, like, hey, you get the call, you need to know, right?
Lulu Xiao or something like that. Was it?
So close. It might be the Chinese name.
It was like that. Yeah, Lulu Xia, Xia Lulu or something like that.
Sunny Lu.
Sunny Lu. See? I was close.
That counts, is it? Like,
I was close. That's the full Chinese name.
Yeah, bro. The Chinese name, yeah.
See? Genius me.
2 out of 3. Gotta get the watch.
It's the hard question.
The last one would be.
Oh crap.
The last one would be, how much was the price of Van during the ICO, which was basically the ICO price. So never mind. Obviously that was a little bit difficult, but okay, it was 1F to 3005 Van.
Okay. Oh.
So, yeah. So
But it all depends on how much is at.
In August
exactly
2017.
August 2017.
About 50 cents? 70 cents? 50 cents?
It's quite off, bro.
Already?
Yeah, it's quite off.
Wasn't F like 500-600 then?
No,
was it 300?
well, a bit off also. Yeah, that one.
300?
F was
Ah, okay,
300.
okay,
300?
okay,
Oh,
okay,
close.
okay.
So 3,300 is like 10 cents?
Well, almost.
Almost.
Or $1?
It was 3.
Dude, like
No?
it's
That says the $1. What?
almost. You
10
get
cents?
it?
15 cents?
No. I have to get it
It was
first.
like lower or higher?
Okay.
1
anyway,
cent?
Anyway, you're getting closer. Colder. Just now when you said it was colder.
So 10 cents?
No. Okay.
Better?
Better. Yeah.
20 cents?
No.
No.
Colder.
Wait. So it's like higher or lower?
So
Common sense,
Common sense, bro.
Oh no idea man. 15 cents? 10 cents? 5
No.
cents? No?
Oh, 5 cents?
5 cents?
Close-ish?
Oh shit, now I'm buying at a high now. 5 cents? 7 cents? It's like
Close.
$4 now, man.
Very close.
$4.50 bro. Yeah. Close? 5
Very
cents?
close. No?
No? 7 cents?
Yes?
75 cents?
Bro, how is it
6
75
cents?
cents?
No, worse.
Huh? 8 cents?
Okay. So it's
Close enough.
8.5 cents.
8.5 cents.
Wow.
So, folks,
wait.
I guess we kind of will have to give it to him, right? Okay. So anyway, here's your Rolex. You can open it up, bro.
Are you serious?
Yeah, serious, bro.
No, like seriously.
Serious. Dude.
is
Oh,
hard.
before we gotta like let the viewers see the legit embossed.
Yeah, they can't see anything on this camera.
Embossing and all, you know. By the way,
Wow, like
check it out.
I'll be scared to carry
the
it.
legitimacy.
The camera
Oh my
can't tell.
god, this is. Oh, we can throw this away, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we can get. But it is
It's like having
nice,
fun
by the way.
doing this though.
Oh my god, I just want to toss this, but never mind.
Hey, don't lah.
We should just put
Still
this
my
here.
Okay.
Alright, man. So, enjoy your unboxing experience. So, yeah, okay.
Oh, okay. Do we need what?
Yeah, man. Hey, can you even see?
Can you see?
Yeah, you see? Like, you got to go close up, man.
Oh my god.
Yeah, man. So, do you own? Do you own a Rolex?
No, I don't. I don't own any
Dude.
watches that are above 500.
Right.
Actually, that's
Okay. For once, Today is the day where you're gonna own a watch above 500. Alright, very
The
happy
camera
for
just
you.
randomly panned out.
Thanks, bro.
Happy birthday, bro.
Thank you. Was it a Huobi call for you?
No lah, of course not, bro.
It was his child's
kidding.
college fund.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey guys!
Bro, guys, this watch, by the way, is above 500, which is what he actually
That's what he wanted.
Is it like
This is a G-Shock. Hey, listen up, motherfuckers. You know? This watch. Hey, what the fuck? You're laughing. You know what is this or not? Yeah, hey, really? You know what you say?
Why can't you just cut the picture out?
It's like, hey guys, this is like this is like snap. You got me?
He can buy 100 of that.
Yeah, bro, but this is like this is like
don't say
legit,
that lah.
man. This is the carbon fiber. I can't remember what model
Isn't it
is.
just yours, bro?
Yeah, it is actually.
Yeah, damn it.
Okay, never mind. Then let me get you the watch.
Okay, hang on. So, to keep the
So-
watch, what's the price?
Yeah,
in
okay,
BTC.
keep the watch. What is the price?
In BTC.
I have no idea yet. I don't keep track of prices of watches.
Okay, I can give you the price now lah. You just do some simple.
Why don't you
math
give
lah.
me like a option, like ABC or something like that?
Option A 0.1 BTC. Option B
It can be, I guess.
0.05 BTC.
0.05? Okay.
Option 3 0.005 BTC.
Okay.
Option 4 0.02 BTC.
Are you referring to this?
Yes.
This?
Yes.
Oh, this.
This.
This
This
can't keep the
particular.
watch like you get it right.
Yeah, you can't get it right.
Wait, this one.
Okay, I give you the USD price. It's 486.
Wait, you're using today's price of BTC.
Yes.
right?
Okay,
Today's
okay,
price.
okay.
And you're referring this watch, right?
Yes, this watch.
So before you get the real
0.05.
real Rolex,
Uh-huh.
alright? You gotta guess how much is this?
Good enough. Damn.
I mean like
So what's the feature of this? Like you say what carbon fiber?
okay. Well, I mean, firstly, it's like indestructible, lah, right? Firstly,
Nokia
and then
kind, right?
it has world time,
Right.
So it has world time, by the way, folks. So just so you know, it has world time, and at the same time, also it has the altitude, a compass, a barometer. Okay, so it tells you about the temperature, the time, and everything. Okay, and when moon, you know, obviously. Yeah, I know it doesn't say that, lah. But anyway, yeah, this is a very solid watch, guys. This
0.05.
Okay, this watch is
go.
one of the most expensive in terms of the ranges.
Oh, really?
In terms of the ranges of G-Shock, it is one of the most expensive. So anyone knows? You can
0.05.
You are completely wrong.
0.05.
What? I'm wrong?
No,
It can't be 0.1 though.
0.05.
Yeah, I thought you gave me the option of 0.05.
$0.05 is $500.
Yeah, it's $500 what? US dollar.
Yeah, close lah, but not yet.
A bit off.
A bit off.
Huh? Are you for real?
Yeah.
How is this worth so much?
Hey, bro.
Like, I know lah, I'm just
buy
saying.
the normal shit,
Oh,
you know.
yeah,
Hey.
okay. 0.1 then. That's only.
No lah.
No lah,
It was 0.05 something.
Oh.
Give me a second digit.
Yeah. It'd be like too easy, like 0.5.
Yeah, 0.05.
0.05.
I even
is
gave you the
right.
5 eh.
7. No?
Lower,
That's tough. 5.
lower.
4.
Close enough.
So
3, 4 lah.
0.05.
Alright, so you got it right. So bro, this is your actual watch. Okay, so
You scared of getting tricked again?
Surprises.
No, it's not that.
Hannah's,
man.
Hannah's,
Do you college me?
yeah. I was gonna say it's her frozen watch.
Ding, 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 ding.
yeah.
Damn. Did Clarence shows this?
So
I know
this-
Clarence like this, though, huh?
This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Hawk.
Huh?
Yeah, this is the Hawk.
The Hawk.
The Hawk, yeah.
That
the
didn't really appear
Submariner,
in
the
Infinity
Hawk.
War.
That's right, that didn't appear in the Infinity Wars because he was here in the box.
Welcome to the adventure.
Welcome to the Avengers. So now,
Thank you.
this is where you have to guess the price of the watch also.
Oh, a lot of guessing there, quite stressed.
This is where you have to guess the watch also. Always,
I
you cannot
should
get
keep
it, bro.
it.
Why can't I just trade today?
You can't.
Okay, options. Do you have MCQ for this? I don't even know.
No, this is an expensive present. No such as MCQ.
Yeah, man, those are still man. Well, at least you got this one right. So at least base
least
minimum you have this already, bro.
One BTC?
Okay,
Keep going.
keep going.
2 BTC?
Going too far. Going too far.
Oh, okay. 1.5?
Stainless steel.
No, wait. Let me think. 1.5. 1.5 is like what?
Tell him some features lah. Maybe he can get better idea of
Okay,
the
so
price.
I have no idea what features.
without further ado,
Right.
this is the Rolex Submariner. the Hulk, as they call it. This has bubble glass with date.
I feel so pressured wearing this.
Together with
Bitcoin pricing.
together with the fact that it can of course go to a maximum of 300 meters deep, right? That's why it's called the Submariner.
I don't dive though.
Yes, although you don't dive, but you know, we can always use it when we're in space. Yeah, so it's about the pressure. So anyway, this is a rare gem for most people who are collecting submariners, who actually know what the heck a submariner is,
really?
because it's actually one of the rarest pieces, apart from the Smurf and the Pepsi, the Batman, and so on and so forth. Yes, so this is one of the few. In fact, it's one of the rarest that you can get in Singapore. So anyway, you were right. 1 point. Do you say what did you say?
1.5.
No, not so.
Maybe last week it was.
Maybe last week.
Last week.
Okay. What is it? 1.2? 1.2.
Very close. One more digit, I'm gonna leave it to you.
One more digit is yours, bro.
1.23. Do you have to do the? You did a converter, didn't you? Like,
Yeah, obviously
price.
we have the converter, right? Duh.
Damn it. 1.26.
Very close, very close.
1.265. 1.27. No. 1.268. Huh?
Higher.
Higher?
Oh, someone's gonna wear back the Daniel Wellington.
last 3 guesses.
1.27.
No.
This is not
What,
too
so what's
bad
the range?
actually when you look at it,
1.26,
man.
No.
Yeah, it does the trick, man.
So it's up 1.28. Come on.
No way.
1.28.
Oh, you got it. Okay. Hey. Okay, put it on, bro. But I think you got it. Hey.
Thanks, bro.
Put on both.
And
What both?
so this is of
Sorry,
course
this is my first time receiving.
Andy's
Hold on.
first
Hold on.
what? Oh god. Okay, shit. It's a Virgin
Sorry, I
Rolex
suck.
Virgin. Okay, so anyway,
Yes, I
it
suck.
has a glider. So that means in the event that you need to switch you have to switch. Okay, in the event that you do need to switch the sizing, right?
When you wear a
you can actually change the
Okay.
thing. Yeah, so you can switch up, pull up, and then you can glide. See, that's why it's called the glider. So you can twist it, then you go back in. Okay, so
Like a loop,
let's say you want to pull out, then you so like that. Okay, it's too tight or whatever, too loose. Okay, so you can glide it in.
Sorry, this is a watch tutorial for
Sorry about
viewers.
watch tutorials.
Yeah, because you might scratch the watch, bro. It's like,
Put one on each wrist.
so yes,
Then let the world tell you which is better.
there's always a claps here. It doesn't yeah, woohoo! So this is
It's filthy heavy, but
this is you can do whatever you want.
Vending
lah.
machine.
You do whatever you want with it. So that ends our episode, guys, and hope you enjoyed the watch episode. Andy, how do you feel, man? Heavy. You know, it's a progression, guys. Especially if you are into the watch game, especially if you like watches. These are one of those things. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching, and see you guys. Bye.